Hello, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Then, throughout the evening, I was restless. In expressing our grief and sending our deepest condolences to the family members of our beloved late Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon, who is still our MP till date. Last night, when I received the news, it was not yet confirmed at the time, of course, but Charles Marangara gave me a call. Then throughout the evening, I was restless. Even though I used to be a very early sleeper, the moment I go to bed, in 5 minutes I fall asleep. But yesterday, till 12 o'clock, midnight, I could not sleep. I took out my mobile, go to YouTube, type Dr. Ricky Singkon. The first thing that came is his sermon. I don't know the village, but it is district, Jingaseng district of Maulik district. And the topic of his sermon was also taken from the letter of Paul to the Philippi, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not very well versed and remember much about the gospel, but he said from that reading in the gospel, "For me to live is Christ, and to die is victory." Something like that reading which he took. While listening to that, looking at the way he delivered his sermon, who will believe that he is no more with us? Even this morning, I was feeling very heavy, and I know everyone, every member of this house, all the people are feeling sad. We feel like a thick black cloud is covering us. We feel so sad to talk. But when we look at the life of Dr. Ricky Singkon, in a way, I feel we should not feel that sad. Rather, we should celebrate the achievements academically that he has done, the example that he sets in public life. These are all to be celebrated. In 2023, sir, when we all went for the result day, assembly election result day, I was sitting just adjacent to Dr. Ricky Singkon, along with the others. And you know, the atmosphere in the counting hall is so heavy. Dr. Ricky Singkon tapped my shoulder and said, "Doctor, lada job u Dr. Kot, ne job u Dr. Briuru, ngidei ban presito." I'll translate that in English. He told me, if Dr. Kot means him, or Dr. Briu means Dr. Silingdo, if anyone wins, we should work hard for the benefit of the people.